Hey guys, welcome in. I know you're super excited to just jump right in and get started, and I love that. But before you do, I urge you to just stick with me through these next couple of minutes as I will be going over some key important details and will likely answer a lot of the questions that you have. First and foremost, this week of workouts is going to be great for anyone who is a beginner at the gym. You just got your membership. Maybe you've already been going to the gym, but really only staying on the cardio machines and you haven't yet hit the weight section yet, and you want to get more familiar with the machines and the different kinds of equipment. This is going to be the perfect beginner start guide for you. We'll be doing 3 workouts this week: a complete lower body day, a total upper body day, and a full body day. I think 3 workouts is a great place to start for beginners and for most people in general. However, if you would like to add in more workouts, you can choose any of the other workouts that I have here on my channel. I'll link my playlist down below. Speaking of, I recommend doing only 1 workout per day and resting 1 to 2 days in between each workout. On days you're not working out, simply just rest. You do not need to work out every single day in order to see results or progress in your fitness journey. It's just as important to rest as it is to work out and have our bodies moving. This week of workouts is not geared towards a weight loss, weight gain, muscle building, nothing like that. It is solely here for you to just get more familiar at the gym and take you to the next big chapter and step up in your fitness journey. This is because even if you're on a weight loss workout program, if your nutrition and what you're eating doesn't reflect that, then you might still gain weight even though you're doing the workouts to a T. And similarly, vice versa, if you're on a muscle building or weight gain program, but your nutrition doesn't reflect that goal, then you could still lose weight or you might not build any muscle because your nutrition doesn't reflect those goals there. And that's why I say that this week of workouts is not geared towards a weight loss, weight gain, or muscle building, because your nutrition will have such a big factor in all of that. One last thing before we get started: if you're not familiar with the machines that I'm using here or have questions about how to use them, then make sure to check out my How to Use Gym Equipment playlist, also linked in the description. I'll also have timestamps for when each workout day starts in the description. If you're finally ready to get this week of workouts started, click that thumbs up button for good luck, and let's get to the gym, guys. To start our workout, let's hop on the treadmill for 5 minutes at no incline, just walking at your normal walking pace. If you don't have a treadmill available to you, feel free to use any other cardio machine of your choice, like a bike, row machine, or elliptical throughout this week of workouts. For each of these exercises and all of these workouts, if you're not sure how much weight to use, start with the lightest weight available to you and go up from there once you can do 12 to 15 reps with good form. Of course, feel free to do any of them with just your own body weight if that's what feels most comfortable to you right now. First up, we'll be doing dumbbell squats for 3 sets of 12 reps. This means that you'll do 12 squats, take a rest, do another 12 squats, take another rest, and then do another 12 squats, followed by a rest time and then the next exercise. I recommend taking a 1 to 2 minute rest time between each set of each workout in this entire week of workouts video. Dumbbell squats will work the entire body with a focus on the lower body. Position your feet so that they're right under your shoulders to right outside your shoulders. When you go down into the squat, your knees should point in the same direction as your toes. From here, grab the top of your dumbbell, allowing the weight to hang without your arms lifting it up or your shoulders hunching up. Before each rep, inhale and contract your core, keeping that core tight throughout the exercise. As you reach the bottom of the squat, contract your glutes to push your hips forward and bring you back to starting position, exhaling as you do so. Squat as low as you can without rounding your lower back. You'll likely hear the term contracting your core quite a bit as you get more familiar with fitness content. I like to describe contracting your core as both flexing your abs and pushing your stomach out from the inside as if you were to show off your food baby. This helps to create a more stable and stronger core so that you can lift more safely and heavier as you progress. Next, staying in this same spot, we have dumbbell split squats for 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. This means I will do 12 reps on one leg and then automatically switch on over to the other leg and do 12 reps on that one, followed by a rest time of 1 to 2 minutes. This exercise will target the overall lower body. However, if you'd like a more glute and hamstring focused movement, position your front foot so that your knee comes right above your ankle when you go down into the split squat. For a more quad focused split squat, position your front foot so that your front knee comes right above your toes when you go down into the split squat. Whichever leg is in front is the leg that you're working, so make sure that you allow that leg to do the heavy lifting, pushing off of its heel when you reach the lowest point of the split squat, while your back leg simply helps to balance and stabilize. Go as comfortably low as you can, ideally so that your back knee comes right above the ground. Inhale as you go down into the split squat and exhale as you push off your front foot to go back up. Allow the dumbbells to simply hang on the sides and avoid lifting the weight up with your arms or shrugging your shoulders up. If you'd prefer to start using only body weight, please feel free to do that as well. Third, we have wide grip lat pull downs for 3 sets of 12 reps. This exercise will target the back muscles, specifically the lats, which are the muscles that run along the sides of your back. To target the lats best, imagine pointing your elbow straight down to the ground and into the sides of your back as you pull the bar down. Only pull the bar down to right underneath your chin to right above your chest. Keep your shoulders down and depress throughout the entire movement and avoid hunching your shoulders up to your ears. As you contract your back muscles to pull the weight down, exhale, and as you extend your arms back up, inhale. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. For our final exercise, we'll be doing machine chest presses for 3 sets of 12 reps. As the name suggests, this exercise will target the overall chest muscles. Even if you're thinking that you don't want to train your chest muscles, training all your muscles from head to toe helps to create a balanced physique, and on top of that, most importantly, by strengthening one part of your body, you help strengthen other parts as well, which helps you to progress along your fitness journey. Adjust the height of the seat so that the handles come to about chest height. Starting with your arms right outside your chest, push the weight away from you, exhaling as you do so. As you bring your hands back towards you, inhale. Keep your booty back and back of your head on the seat at all times. And just like we've been doing with all the other exercises, also keep your shoulders down, avoiding hunching them up towards your ears. Feel free to use either set of handles that you'd prefer as well. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. To end this workout, we're going to head back to the treadmill for a final 15 minutes walking at your moderate walking pace using an 8 to 10% incline. What using an incline will do is make the exercise just a bit more challenging while not requiring you to make your workout any longer. And that's all for today, guys. I'll see you guys later this week for day 2. Have an amazing rest of your day, and don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button and notification bell to stay up to date on when part 2 of this week of workouts releases. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Welcome back for day 2 of our full week of workouts. Today we'll be hitting the entire lower body from glutes to quads to hamstrings. If you're ready to slay this workout and take one step closer to those New Year's resolutions, give this video a thumbs up and let's get started. First, let's hop on the treadmill for a quick 5 minutes getting our bodies warmed up for the workout. If you'd like to watch my full warm-up videos, I link them down below in the description. To start our workout, we'll be doing leg presses for 3 sets of 12 reps. This exercise will target the overall lower body. If you're new to the leg press machine, I like to recommend positioning your feet on the platform here like you would if you were doing squats. Starting with knees bent by your chest, contract your leg muscles to push away from the platform. Lower yourself back down nice and controlled. Exhale as you push away and inhale as you bend your knees to go back down. Feet should remain flat on the platform at all times with knees pointing in the same direction as your toes. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. Next, we have leg extensions for 3 sets of 12 reps, which will target the quad muscles. Position the back of the seat so that the back of your knees comes to the edge of the seat. The cushion on top of your feet should also comfortably be positioned at the bottom of your shins. Starting with knees bent, contract your quads to lift the weight up. Once you've fully extended your legs, bend your knees to bring the weight back down. Exhale as you lift the weight up and inhale as you lower your feet back down. If you find that your booty is being lifted up and out of the seat as you extend your legs out, decrease the weight and see if that helps. Booty and back should be touching the seat at all times as well. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. Moving on to the next exercise, we'll be doing seated hamstring curls for 3 sets of 12 reps, which will target the hamstring muscles. If you don't have this machine, feel free to do lying or standing hamstring curls as well. For the seated hamstring curls, make sure the back of your knees reaches the edge of the seat and your quads are locked into place by the cushion on top of them. Starting with legs extended, contract your hamstrings to bring your feet back towards the seat. Exhale as you bring the weight towards you and inhale as you extend your legs back out. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. For our final exercise, we have stationary lunges for 3 sets of 12 reps on each leg. This exercise will also target the entire lower body. The farther out you step, the more hamstrings and glutes you'll focus on, and the smaller your lunge, the more quad focus it will be. As you step forward, lean into that foot and try to get your back knee as close to above the ground as possible. The foot that is stepping out is the one you're working, so make sure to allow that leg to do the majority of the work. Exhale as you push off your front foot to go back to starting position, and inhale as you step out. Once you do 12 reps on one leg, switch right on over to the other leg and do 12 reps on that leg as well, followed by a 1 to 2 minute rest time. Lastly, let's jump on the treadmill for 15 minutes at an 8 to 10% incline, walking at your normal walking pace. Today's workout outfit is from Oner Active. I'm wearing the Effortless leggings and Mellow soft long sleeve top, both in the color vintage purple size medium. The Effortless leggings, as you guys know, are my all-time favorite workout legging, and I literally would not trade them for anything else. No other leggings are as flattering and comfortable to move around in as these are. I also cannot get enough of these Mellow soft tops. They come in a cropped and full length, short sleeve and long sleeve. My support link to shop is in the description if you want to pick up some cute new pieces for your gym wardrobe and support my channel at the same time. Thanks guys. Amazing job today, babes. If you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying this week of workouts. I'll see you back here later this week for our final workout together. Have a good one. If you're enjoying this week of workouts and love having every single workout laid out for you so you can confidently walk into the gym knowing exactly what you're going to do, you would also love working one-on-one together, as this is what I do for all of my clients. On top of handpicking each exercise that goes into every workout for my clients to make sure it aligns with their goals and the equipment they have access to, whether they want to work out at home or at the gym or a mix of both, I also customize and handpick every single meal that goes into their nutrition plan. Every single meal for every single day is laid out for you so you know exactly what to eat to reach your goals. You don't have to count calories, you don't have to track macros. I do all of that work on my end over here. Here on YouTube, I'm your online gym bestie. We have the best time working out together all the time, and I absolutely love that. But working together one-on-one as your coach, my goal is truly to set you up for success. I meet you where you're at so that we can work together to build a fitness regimen that is fun, realistic, and sustainable for you long term. I want it to challenge you, but also for it to fit seamlessly into your lifestyle so that you can live your life while also making amazing strides towards your goals so that you can see the results that you want to see. If this sounds like something that you would find beneficial and you're ready to make this your fit girl era, make sure to click the link in the description to apply for my one-on-one coaching, and let's start the next big epic chapter of your fitness journey together. Welcome back for our full upper body day. If you've made it to your third workout this week, click that thumbs up button for a job well done. Today we'll be hitting everything from our back and biceps to chest and tris and shoulders as well. Just like all the other days, we're going to start with 5 minutes on the treadmill at 0 incline and just normal walking pace. For our first exercise, we'll be targeting the back muscles with machine-seated rows for 3 sets of 12 reps. Starting with arms fully extended in front of you, contract your back muscles to pull the handles towards your chest. Inhale as you extend your arms back out, and exhale as you pull the weight towards you. Make sure to control the weight, not let it control you. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. Next, we have machine chest flies for 3 sets of 12 reps, which will target the chest muscles. Starting with arms fully extended out to your sides, contract your chest muscles to bring your hands in towards each other in the center. Imagine wrapping your arms around a big tree trunk and giving it a hug. While your elbows should be slightly bent throughout the movement, avoid bending your elbows in order to push the weight. Exhale as you bring the handles in towards each other, and inhale as you extend your arms back out. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. Moving on to shoulders, we'll be doing dumbbell shoulder presses for 3 sets of 12 reps. Feel free to do these either seated or standing. As you perform these, keep your shoulders down in the same position at all times and avoid hunching them up towards your ears. Your arms move, but your shoulders should essentially stay in the same fixed position. As you lower the dumbbells back down, point your elbows in slightly towards the center versus straight out to the side to better target the shoulder muscles. As you push up, exhale, and as you lower the dumbbells back down, inhale. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. Lastly, we have machine preacher curls for 3 sets of 12 reps, which will target the biceps. Keep the back of your arms touching the cushion at all times, fully extending your arms down between each rep. Exhale as you contract your biceps to lift the weight up, and inhale as you lower the handles back down. Rest for 1 to 2 minutes between each set. As always, I'm wearing Oner Active from head to toe. This is the all-day lightweight cargo jogger in slate blue with the timeless shorts on underneath in white. On top, I had the everyday sports bra in white and timeless crop jacket in slate blue, everything in a size medium. The timeless jacket, I say, is shapewear for your upper body because it literally snatches and holds you in so well. It's insane. If you're looking for a top that's going to give you the ultimate fit girly vibes and aesthetic and be so freaking flattering, this top is it, babe. I'll have my support link to shop in the description for whenever you're ready to refresh your gym wardrobe with some cute new pieces. basis. To finish this workout and this entire week of workouts up, we'll be heading over to the treadmill for a final 15 minutes at an 8 to 10% incline. Congratulations on completing this entire week of workouts. Amazing job, my babes. Give this video a celebratory thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so you can stay up to date on new workouts that can help you reach your goals. Congratulations on completing this week of workouts. I know that for many of you guys, your next big question is, what comes next? What am I supposed to do after this? What else should I do? What other workouts should I do in order to reach my goals? And that's something that I love to do for each one of my one-on-one coaching clients. So if you're interested in letting me help you make your fitness journey easier to navigate so you can get to where you want to be as efficiently as possible, click the link in the description to apply for my one-on-one coaching and let's start talking. What was your favorite workout this week? What are some other ideas you have that I can introduce in future videos to make my videos more helpful? Let me know in a comment down below. See you soon.